14 volts, blah blah blah. But like I said, I just started it a minute ago and it did the click click, and then they're like, and just like made some sort of crazy noise. And not too happy with that. So let's try it again. Let's try it again. Oh. This is why we need to replace the starter. You hear that click? Here's the positive. And you can see all my charging terminals here. So we're gonna work on getting this loosened up. If I can do it. There we go. Get that off. Bingo bango. Get the terminals off of there. That the starter is behind the front axle. And so, there's the starter. And we're going to remove that bad boy here shortly. Sorry to call you shortly. But that's, I couldn't find a 9/16 and a 5/8 won't work, but a 15mm does. And you can see here as the starter is coming loose here. So that's what I'm using. Probably could use a 14mm, but that'd been a little tighter. So I got it out of there. There's the flywheel. Hopefully you can see the flywheel, and I'm hoping that it's not like too scuffed up. It looks okay. Looks okay. We pulled it out. There's where the bolts go into. There's the 2 bolts connections. That can get cleaned up. But here it is what's going on here with the connectors. And there's that little toggle point here. And you can see, like, here's the battery positive, and here's the other one coming in. I believe that's off the other battery next to the generator. And then we've got these other wires here, and then this, I believe, is the ignition wire. So we've got some other wires here, 2 additional wires on this motorhome. Not too happy with this situation because it's kind of burned off the back, so I think I might do a little something to improve that. There it is. Beautiful. Got the solenoid on it. The cover is not falling off, and she's looking pretty clean. So got the wires in. It took a little bit to get everything situated, tied back up the way it should be. And now I'm bolting in the starter. Nice and snug. I've rerouted the cable away from the exhaust manifold as much as I can. And get her in there. So we'll see how she does. Here we go. Turn it off. And see if she starts up. Wow. It started up really good. Like, that was not a struggle at all, to be honest with you. That's pretty good. Starter, hopefully, issue has been fixed. Gonna let that charge up for a little bit. I think that's what we're gonna do. Have a good one, folks. One more issue addressed.